Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, I am going to explain to bake chapatis in English or knead the flour. Knead, knead the flour. Actually, its actual pronunciation is flour, not flour, atta. I take flour into a bowl, add required water, and knead it to form a soft and smooth dough. Dough, dough. Let it become sticky. Atta sticky ho jaye. I divide the dough into small balls and roll it out onto a thin circular shape by using a rolling pin and brothel, chakla belan. Brothel, chakla, or flat surface or flat slab. I give it flat round shape. I heat griddle or iron pan, tawa, over medium heat and place the rolled out dough onto hot griddle and cook till it is fully baked from one side. I flip the chapati and bake the other side. I heat it properly so that it may not remain underbaked or overbaked. Na kachi ho, na paki ho. This is the way how to knead the flour and cook the chapati. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.